Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to fix domain errors in Shopify, whether it's a DNS issue, SSL pending, or domain not connecting properly. If your domain isn't showing your store, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will have it working perfectly. Let's get started. First of all, let's understand what type of domain error you are fetching. Go to your Shopify dashboard settings, the common then domains. Common errors include SSL pending or SSL unavailable, domain not connected, DNS settings incorrect, custom domain showing a 404 or parked page. Hover over the error message. Shopify usually gives you a hint. Click your domain name inside the domain page. Now check two things. A record should point to Shopify IPs 23.2 to 7.38.65. CNAME record should point to shops.myshopify.com. If you bought your domain outside Shopify like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, go to that registrar's DNS settings and manually update a record to 3.2 to 7.38.65. CNAME for www.shops.myshopify.com. Save changes and it may take a few minutes to propagate. If you see SSL pending or SSL unavailable, don't panic. Here's how to fix it. Make sure the A and C name records are correct. Remove and re-add the domain if it's stuck for more than 48 hours. Disable forwarding or masking on your domain register. Shopify provides free SSL certificates, but they only activate if your shop domain is properly pointed and verified. You can also click Retry SSL from the Shopify domains page if it failed previously. Shopify has a built-in setup wizard for third-party domains. Go to settings, then domains, then click connect existing domain and type your domain here. Shopify will guide you with a step-by-step DNS settings based on your register. If you use GoDaddy, Shopify can connect it automatically via API. Just log in with when prompted. Here are some common errors that cause domains issues. Here are some common errors that cause domain issues. Multiple A records. You should only have one A record pointing to Shopify. CNAME record is missing or incorrect. DNS changes not saved. Forwarding enabled instead of DNS pointing. Try to connect in naked domain without www. Use both. Always test your domain after updates using tools like dnschecker.org to confirm the changes are live globally. Go to dnschecker.org. Just enter your domain name like that, then click a record or CNAME record, then search. If your domain still isn't working after 24 to 48 hours, contact Your domain registers or support for DNS help. Shopify support for connection or SSL issues. Sh- So, in your browser, search for Shopify. Now, Shopify Help Center. Now, search or ask question like uh, domain issue. Sorry, it's domain error issue. The Shopify's AI assistant uh, give you a answer, right? Like if you are experiencing domain issues with your Shopify store, here are some common problems and solutions. Unexpected name servers values. If your domain's name servers are returning unexpected values, it can make your site unreachable. This may happen if your domain is on hold. You should contact Shopify support for assistance. DNS information fetching errors. If you see an error fetching DNS information, check your domain provider DNS settings to ensure the records are set up correctly. Remember that DNS updates can take up to 48 hours to propagate. Wildcard record and set specific records for each subdomain instead. For any of these issues, uh, you can check the Shopify status page for current and past issues. If the problem persists, consider clearing you, your browser cache or trying a different browser to see if that resolves the issue. And that's how you fix domain errors in Shopify, whether it's DNS, SSL, or connection problems. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you are still stuck. I will do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.